Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I just got done trick-or-treating with the kids. I've been waiting to do this project all day. As you can see, you guys, I have a big Hobby Lobby bag. My husband, he went on ahead, surprised me, and bought this die cutting and embossing machine. This is one that he got for me. He got the Sizzix BigKick. As well as, you guys know, I wanted it to do some bows, so we are about to test this out. I got some different materials right here: the leather, the felt, like the little stiff felt, paper. Of course, I know it cuts through paper, but I got some foam and some other things I'm going to be testing out as well. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, well, straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. I guess I'll just slide this off. What the freak? This stuff is childproof. Why? Why? Okay. Okay, I guess this is the platform. Thin die adapter. What is this? You guys, I have no idea. Okay, it comes with these, but I'm guessing, look at that, y'all can see my laptop. But I'm guessing this is, no, these are two. Okay, it comes with two. I'm guessing these are like cutting. Yo, I don't know. Okay. Shoot, I wish this was live. That way y'all could tell me what to do. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what this looks like. Goodness. All this stuff is childproof. Why? I'm grown. No kids are buying this. Jesus. Lord have mercy. I just want to open it and play with it. I just want to open it. Please. Lord have mercy. This thing gonna frustrate me. Oh, come on. This is the worst. Okay. Okay, this is what the paper looks like. Ooh, it stank. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, Lord. Ugh. Okay. Compatible materials. Cardstock, and it does say vinyl, but it don't say nothing about no foam, no leather. Why would it not cut through that? Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Do I do anything with this? What do I do? Ooh, I can feel the blades in there. Ooh, Jesus. Okay, I guess this is the real deal Holyfield. I guess it's now or never, right? Yo, I don't know. Okay, I'm about to watch a video and then I'm going to attempt to do what they doing, okay? Alright, you guys. I didn't... The video I looked at wasn't really too informational. So, informative. Yeah, so this is what the die looks like. So you pretty much have to take the paper and fold it in half. That way it cuts, you know, two sides at once. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now just to test, I guess, test some paper out and see how paper does. Alright, so I think that's good enough. Let me close my door, y'all. Lord have mercy. Okay, my kids is hyped up on sugar. Alright, so this is what I'm assuming. You guys, I have not. They said this is for cutting. This is for cutting. Yo, I honestly just. I, mm, I have no idea. But I know when I try to put this big old thick thing through it, with this, it's not fitting. Like, it's just not going. And I refuse to have spent money on this, and it's not going to work. Shoot, freak no. So, alright, you guys. So I still really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just this is just the way I'm gonna do it, and hopefully it don't break. I'm gonna put this. Yo, I'm not. You know what? I just need to do this first and see if it works before I tell y'all what I'm doing, because this might not even work. It might break. Now I know they said that it make like a crunching noise, so it's gonna sound like it's breaking. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Ooh, goodness. It did sound like it broke. Is this supposed to do that to my cutting board? Well, you guys, it cut the paper, of course. So that would be, you know. Alright, I'm excited. It cut the freaking paper. Shoot. Now let's try some foam. Let's have a party now. Shoot. Let's have a party of it up in here. Alright. Alright, let's try we got foam right now, and this foam is a little bit thick. I don't know how this is gonna do double. But we're gonna try it today. We are definitely gonna try this. So I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Okay. Alright, so do I lay this on top, or is it supposed to be? I don't know. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, it cut through the freaking foam. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it was so fast. Oh, freak, frack, frack. Okay. Alright. Yeah. So I got this. I don't know what this is. This is like that cardstock, like that glitter cardstock. And this right here is just a sheet that I had messed up on. I'm about to see if it cut through this. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. This is a heaven sent. This is a blessing. Who came up with this? This is a blessing. This is a blessing. Alright, let's see. Alright. Don't let me down. Oh, I hate when it makes that sound. It really be sounding like it's about to break. Ah! Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. It did it. You guys. Shoot, and my husband bought the little cheap one. This one was only $79, $99, something like that. Okay, felt. Oh, I don't even want to mess this up. This is like really pretty. Alright, no, I'm not gonna mess that up. But I will mess up this leather. Now, y'all, I bought 12 sheets of this leather, and the reason why I did not give no links is because although the quality is nice, you get 12 sheets for 15 bucks. You guys, I have never smelt a smell like this before. It smells like fish. Like it stinks. And I don't know. And it's not the leather side. Like the leather side doesn't have a smell. It's the fabric side that stinks like that. I don't know why. So this is leather as well as the fabric, and I'm going to see if it can do 2 layers. I'm not sure, but like I said, hey, we here to test. We are here to test this out. You guys, this is going to make my bow life so much easier. I was making bows today, and let me tell you, it took forever because, you know, I'm sitting there and I'm cutting it by hand. Okay, I'm not really lining this up. I just want to see if it can cut. Alright, so, ooh, I hate that sound. It's going to make that sound again. It sounds like the glass about to pop up. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, see, I hate that sound. I don't like it. Oh, it cut through the leather too. If it didn't smell like that, I would definitely put that in my kid's hair, but that's funky. Okay, you guys, let me say this. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you guys for referring this to me, the Sizzix. Love it. I'm about to be making some bows after I do homework. I got homework. I have homework. Gotta do homework. But you know what? That's okay. After my homework, I'm on to this right here. We about to get close. Let me show y'all some bows that I did earlier. Okay, and also like a little tip that I had picked up along the way. So these are, because you guys know I do buttons as well. So I put like some little Dolce & Gabbana buttons in the middle. I think these are like super adorable. And this is foam right here. And then I have like a felt pattern in the back. But what I started doing is leaving like a little loop right here. That way you can slide either a clip in and out, or you can either loop a headband, you know, through it, and you can wear your bow on a headband. So I think that is really cute because it's, you know, it's versatile. I also made these, and I made some little mini ones. I think these little mini ones are super cute. You can never have too much bling or sequence, you know. These are super cute as well. I made some little astronaut ones. My daughter, they're gone. Her and her friend was like, you know, have your mom make me some because those are cute and I'm keeping them. So when they take their bows and stuff to school, half of the time they just don't bring them back. These are cute as well. I love doing the bows and felt. Like felt is a new fabric that I started doing bows with. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that is the Sizzix BigKick. You guys, I love it. I recommend it. It cuts. It's magic. You know, I didn't believe in magic, but it's magic. This is magic. I just seen it. I'm very thankful for this. I appreciate y'all. Like, just my best friend right here. I will be doing a video tomorrow because, you know, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and it's going to be a little bit different than last month. I'm going to be doing this one through Amazon. My son is sitting here repeating everything that I'm saying. So I want to see you guys very soon. Bye. Bye.